guys, welcome back to my channel Enhancing Beauties. I'm Shyna, and after a big break I'm back with an easy breezy Valentine eye makeup tutorial. And please bear with my voice because it's quite husky and I'm not well, so I won't speak quite loud or I won't sound charming anymore. So yeah, please bear with it. So yeah, let's get started. In today's video, we're gonna do everything in pink because I love pink for Valentine and so do you. I know that. So we're gonna use this Blushing Hearts palette from Makeup Revolution, which is a baked palette, blush palette. We're gonna use it for the blush and for the eyeshadow both, so it does magic. You're gonna just tap the blush brush, which is from MAC, and take color onto your brush and use it in a way, in the direction like the highlighter is on the top of your cheekbone and blush is on the cheeks. Smile and dab it on your cheeks. And I am in love with this palette because it gives a natural glow to your face. Like, it's not kind of highlighter like that shining type of highlighter. It's a very subtle, natural kind of glow, and I love this thing about this palette. And yeah, look how happy I am after using this. I think you can make that out. See, it's very natural kind of glow, not too harsh, very subtle one. Now we're gonna take this highlighter and I'm gonna highlight my usual areas, the bridge of my nose, the cupid's bow, the chin, and yeah, all the usual areas that we always use to do. Little bit on the brow bones to highlight my brows. And I seriously love the pigmentation of this palette. It's amazing. Like, with one swipe you can see how much color it deposits on the place where you want. And the next, we're gonna take this fluffy brush from PAC. I'm gonna mention which one is the number, and taking this middle light pink color, we're gonna use it as our crease color, and we're gonna deposit in our crease to contour our eye and to define our eye shape. Let me put you in zoom and then you can see what I'm doing over here. Now I'm taking this bright third color from this palette, which is this pink, and I'm gonna take it using my fingers and deposit it on my eyelids using the swiping motions. If you want more intensity, you can take more color again and again and layer it on. It's a beautiful color and gives amazing intensity. I believe that it's best applied using fingers, so I'm only using fingers for my eye makeup because I wanted to keep this look a very beginner friendly look, because not all of you have the brushes, and so yeah, we can always go with our fingers, and fingers do much better sometimes rather than using brushes. And now I'm taking this highlighter using my small finger. I'm gonna highlight my inner corners of the eye and look at the pigmentation. I'm in love with it, really in love. Doing the same onto the other eye, and all the steps are same. So let me just fast forward this one. I'm using this favorite Let Me Flutter mascara. I'm not gonna use any kind of false lashes because I want to keep it fresh, natural and pinky. I want to look fresh on the Valentine's, which I think is good because it's kind of a day look. So yeah. I'm taking this Maybelline's Lasting Drama Gel Liner and in shade purple. I don't know the shade name. I'll write everything in the description part below, and I'm gonna only line 3/4 part of my lower lash line, like 3/4 part this way. I'm gonna leave the inner corners as it is because I've already applied highlighter over there, which is the 1/4 part of my lower lash line, and then I'll use my small finger to smudge it a little bit. And yeah, we are done with today's makeup tutorial. I'm sure if you're gonna wear this on your Valentine, your spouse or anyone, your boyfriend, is going to fall in love again with you. So yeah, we are done for today, and I hope you will be connected with me for this journey. And I love you all. Thank you so much for making me hit 5K family, and I am so happy about it, and it motivates me more and more. So stay connected for more such videos which are coming up on the next Monday. It's a very interesting one, and it's also about Valentine. So love you all. Bye bye.